Hello my friends, I'm back with another video. This one's a little different. It's a Swarovski haul. People who know Swarovski know that other than jewelry and watches, they also do ornaments. Ornaments that are multi-purpose, like you can use them for hanging on your Christmas decorations, on your festive decorations, perhaps, somewhere on your work desk, anywhere. I would like to mention how I use the Swarovski ornaments. So I placed two items in my order, so I will just share each of them with you. I'm sure you're going to like this video. Before watching the video, please press that like button, please share, subscribe to my channel. Yes, I can do a collection video for you, so let me know. So the first item that I ordered, how I love to use these ornaments is that I love using them as, to hang them in the car, in the rear view mirror. Yeah, as a charm. Yes, that's how I use them. And but it's crystal and glass, and when the sun falls on it, when it gets the sunshine, it shines crazy. The shine is actually blinding. I like it. So yeah, let's watch what we have in store. Okay, the first one by the way, there was one that I was using earlier to this one and it broke. That's how the story began. And then when I went online to order another one, I found that they're running a sale, and instead of one, I ended up ordering two. So Swarovski charm number one. I call it a charm, it's actually an ornament. So yeah, before showing what it's inside, I want to keep it a surprise. It's actually, okay, let's not show it to you. Let's just straight go into the beauty. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you see that? Oh my God, beautiful. You see that? It's an ornament parrot. Yeah. Beautiful. So just imagine, this is hanging on your rear view mirror, and this is the view you get. How beautiful. Let me just remove this for you to see. Oh my God. Oh my God. I did not expect it to be. And when I saw it on the website, I thought it would be smaller, but that's a beautiful size, If I compare it to my adult hands, it's almost the size of my palm. How beautiful is that? So yes, this is going first. Oh my God. Please, really beautiful, really good. Highly recommended, guys. It's beautiful. And I see that. So can you see that little detail in there? Please focus. Oh my God. Oh yes. Do you see that little detail there? Oh yes, Swarovski, guys. Beautiful. Oh my God. Highly recommended. Beautiful purchase. I purchased it from Swarovski.ae. Yes, I'll put the links below in case you want to check it out. Okay, so it goes back for now. Yeah. Charm that I ordered was, I wouldn't say it's very, this is the unique one, by the way. That one is just okay, but then it was Swarovski. So I'll show you what it is. Some tough packaging. Okay. Okay. Ta-da-da! Oh. Yes, my friends. It is the Swarovski swan. Yes, beautiful. And it comes with beads, This one I believe is more actually, even that, this now even took, that's a beautiful size. And then this is some extra, beads with it. So the presence is more, let's put it here for you to see. It seems that, that this will show more. But That's beautiful, and it's on way. It's going to shine like crazy with the sunlight as well. Wow, wow. So yeah, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch, according to mood. I'm going to put that for a few weeks and then I'm going to put this for a few weeks. That's what I do. So yeah, that is my Swarovski haul. Yeah, my parrot here. Yeah. So my swan, my parrot, and then what else is in the bag? Yeah, this was just a pouch. And yeah. These are the guarantee cards that it came with. So yeah, thank you so much for being on my channel. I hope you like this video. I loved making it for you, and I loved seeing the things with you. So yeah, do subscribe to my channel, do share it with your friends and family who like seeing such videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being on my channel. Thank you. Bye.